Hi, it's Amy, and I just wanted to check in with you guys and let you know that I started a blog finally. I know I've talked about it in the past that I was gonna do a blog, and so with all the furniture stuff that I've been doing, I just decided to jump right in and do it. So I just wanted to let you know, so feel free to go and check out my blog at AJ's Vintage Designs, and I will put a link down below to my blog, and then I also have a Facebook page for that as well. I had problems with my Fashion Toppings Facebook page. I haven't been able to use it for a long time because it won't let me log in. And so I decided, instead of trying to get that active again, because I had problems with Facebook on that one, I decided just to start another Facebook page. So I also have a Facebook page now at also AJ's Vintage Designs, and where I'm gonna talk about a lot of the furniture stuff that I'm doing and the paints that I'm trying, and gonna move some of my videos. The videos I put up on YouTube are also, some of them are gonna be over there on the Facebook page as well, and on my blog. So I'd love it if you're interested in the furniture that I'm doing and the projects that I'm doing. I will continue to do them on this Fashion Toppings YouTube channel, along with some sewing. I will still be doing sewing, but I just wanted to let you know there's more places to reach me. But I'll put the links down below so that you can check them out. I'd love your support, but I'm really loving doing this furniture thing. It's really taking off for me. I'm so excited, and I'm loving everything I'm doing. And I haven't been doing any sewing. I know I always have something going on, but I'm gonna show you. I'm having an addition added to my sewing room, so hold on. So you remember I had a big sewing room before. This is why I haven't been able to use it. Let me show you. Because I can't get into it. And the reason is because I had a storage room back here, and turn the lights on first. I had to move everything out of the storage room because I'm finishing it. I got a floor in there, so I'm gonna have an additional room here. I'm gonna have room here. I'll have all that room there. So I'm under construction again. I'm adding on to my little craft sewing room. This has been going on for a little while, so I haven't been able to use this room because I had to move everything out of storage. Look at all the clothes. But I had to move everything out of storage, and now I don't have room to work. So that's one reason I haven't been doing any sewing. But I will be doing some sewing as soon as this all gets done. But I want to show you another project that we have going. See, everything is covered in sheetrock. I had to put a blanket there so when they carry wood up, they wouldn't damage my wood. But I'll show you what we're doing in the basement. Okay, down in the basement, this is like a white powder of sheetrock dust. So my entire house can't stay clean either. But we are finally finishing the entire basement. Now remember when I did my home tour, my son's little living room and bedroom and bathroom and stuff is all in there. But we're gonna give him, he's got his music cranked, hold on. Okay, so there's the stairs. So we decided to finish the basement. So you've seen my son's room in the past tours, but we are doing the basement now too. So we are gonna have a living room here, and then back here, it's gonna be a pool table there, poker table there, and then we're putting in a full kitchen. So this will be a full kitchen. We got the appliances. They're gonna be delivered here in a couple weeks, so we gotta get moving. But this has been an ongoing thing. So there's the kitchen. We put a bathroom over here. And right now there's nothing in there, but I did buy another one of those antique vanities that I use upstairs in the bathroom, and I'm turning it into an actual bathroom vanity with a sink. So there it'll be like a mirror of the upstairs. Just basically the upstairs duplicated down here. And this is gonna be another living quarters, or living room slash fun room for the kids and us. And then back here, we are turning it into, let me get some lights. We're turning this into an exercise room. We were gonna turn it into a painting room for me, but problem is with all the sanding that I do and the paint, primers and that stuff like that, I just don't want the smell in the basement, so I think this is gonna end up being an exercise room. So And then we have to build a cabinet for all of our electronics and all of our cabling. Because I mean, tons of cabling. Our alarm system, Cat 5, all that stuff. We got to figure out a better solution other than a ladder to hold it all. So, and then we have a storage closet there, and our storm shelters in there. But, so, we've been busy. So as you can see, the inside of my house has been pretty busy for the last couple of months. But another reason I don't even have access to my sewing room right now. But so the furniture stuff is still going. We'll still be doing videos, and the sewing will catch back up as soon as the upstairs gets finished, because I don't have room to sew up there right now. And with the sheetrock dust inside the house, it's just ridiculous. So, but I just wanted to check in with y'all and just let you know that I have 2 more locations to find me. And love it if you go over there and subscribe. It's to ajsvintagedesigns.com and my Facebook page, Vintage Designs, or AJ's Vintage Designs. That's a mouthful to say. So, but the furniture stuff's taken off. I absolutely love it. I'm having fun with it. I kind of feel like I found my niche. And so that's about it. I hope that you all are having a wonderful day. And this is Amy with Fashion Toppings and AJ's Vintage Designs. Until next time, you have a great day.